It may be that some people who feel drawn to Buddhist teachings have yet to meet a fully qualified teacher. Others for whom this meeting has occurred may still need to refine their way of seeing their teacher to the point where the master-disciple relationship becomes meaningful in the way that we have tried to describe. Until that moment comes, one is encouraged to practice the Guru Yoga using Guru Rinpoche as the meditative support. This technique consists of the visualization of Guru Rinpoche, the invocation of his presence, prayers, and the recitation of his mantra, the visualized reception of his blessing, and the mingling of one's mind with his in a state of clear, non-conceptual awareness. If practitioners have sufficient confidence in their own teacher in this present life, it is of course possible, and indeed very effective, to practice this yoga in relation to them, visualizing them as they appear in ordinary life. But this kind of confidence, completely unspoiled by the tiniest mo. For the most part, one is encouraged to visualize one's teacher in the form of Guru Rinpoche, considering that they are inseparable